And of course, to the young men who came from the utmost ends of the earth to fly in our defence, and to those who never saw their beloved homelands again. We salute you, ladies and gentlemen, the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight.